Activities in Pipedrive represent any scheduled action on your part towards the closing of a deal. A phone call, launch meeting, email, whatever it is, you can schedule it with your people, contacts, organizations, or deals so you'll always know what's coming next. By default, you can set up your activities to be a call, meeting, task, deadline, email, or lunch type. You can set up custom activity types for activities that are specific to your company's needs. To facilitate the activities scheduling process, you can use calendar sync features to sync activities from your calendar provider and scheduler feature to set up availabilities and book activities with clients. You can also sync your external calendar to Pipedrive, Gmail, Outlook, etc. to make sure you never miss an important meeting or deal-related activity. smartMILE CRM consulting services can help you fight scattered customer data, poor lead conversion, and low sales rates. Contact our experts today and start closing more deals faster.